So let's go over one or two examples to understand that how we can perform this t-distribution. So in order to go over it, let's say that I have a sample size of 25, which let's say is the sample size is of 25, and I want to perform a two-tailed hypothesis test of the significance level 5%. Okay, so it is a two-tailed test that anyway you can make out now very easily from the problem or statement itself. And given the t table, can you evaluate my ZC? Because now I don't know my standard deviation and you have to reach to ZC, so that further calculations will look same how you were doing it last time. So how we can calculate this? So in order to do it, I need to go and check my t table. Okay, so now if you see my t table, coming back to my problem statement, it is 25 is my this value, so my degree of freedom will become what? 25 minus 1, which is going to be 24. So let's come back to this. Now it's a two-tailed test with significance of 0.05. So here we will be looking at this value, which is 0.05, and this is a two-tailed test. Now let's come here in the same column and check for 24 value. So for degree freedom 24, I got the value 2.064. So this is going to be my value of ZC. Okay. So you can see here, I don't know even what is my population standard deviation, but still I'm able to kind of solve this particular problem. Let's take one more example to have even one more understanding of this same concept. So if I have to take another example where what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to keep my value of n as 32, which means my degree of freedom is going to be 31. Again, it's a two-tailed test. Again, the significance is 0.05. Okay, so let's go and check that how we can solve this again. Now here, remember, I have a value which is 31, right? And I told you that above value 30 or equal to 30 anyway, it's going to behave like that score. So there will be no difference. It start behaving like a normal distribution. So here, if you look at it, this is my 2 value, but after 29 there is no value. Why? Because after 30 anyway it will start behaving in the same way. So we have to come here and look at this value. Okay? Means any value greater than 29 will work. So 1.96 is my outcome for ZC, and after that my further calculations are going to remain same anyway. So these are some examples that how you can perform your t score or t testing kind of scenario, and you can calculate it.